Hello everyone, I hope you are fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah, who is entirely merciful and specially merciful. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can describe the picture easily. So describing the picture is very important for you if you wanna speak English fluently, if you wanna speak English easily. Okay, so you have to describe the picture, and sometimes I describe the picture like that. There are a number of pictures in my hand, so I will show you everything, and also I will show you how you can practice as well, how you can describe the picture also. So let's jump it. What is the first pictures on my hand? It's a lily. Lily, do you know lily? Have you seen before? I think you have seen before. I have seen so many times, several times, a number of times, a great deal of times in my area. I've seen from the pond, I've seen from the river, and also I've seen from the lake. So several times I've seen these pictures, this flower. Okay, when I was the baby, when I was the child, when I was a kid, that time I played with the lily so many times. Okay, so what is the next flower? Next flower is rose. Oh, I think it's a fantastic flower for you. It's a special flower for you, and every person like this flower. And also I like this very much. The color, the rose color is red, and also the leaf is green. Okay, so it's a fantastic flower for me. So have you given the flower someone? So if you have given the flower to someone, so please leave a comment. Yes, I have given a flower to my one special person. Okay, let's jump it. What is the next? Next one is marigold. It's another fantastic flower, marigold. And right now where I'm talking, in this place, before 3 months ago, there was so many flowers, marigold flowers, but right now I don't have flowers. That's why directly, practically, I will not show you. I can't show you. Okay, so this is the another excellent flower for me. I like it very much, and also the smell is good. What is the next? Next one is date. Oh, it's a fruit. Date. Do you like date? I like date. It's a very much. It's a very potent. It has very potent, and you can eat date every single day. It will be just for you, for your health condition. It will be very, very excellent and nice. Next one is guava. It's another fruit, fantastic fruit. I have so many trees, guava trees in my area, in my house. So sometimes I eat guava. You can also eat guava, and it's also green. The guava is green, and I think it will be very tasty. Even I'm watching the fruit from the picture, but I think it will be very tasty, but I will not be able to eat from the picture. So it seems that I eat this guava. Okay, what are you feeling after watching the guava? Are you feeling hungry? Do you wanna eat? Okay, no, don't eat. You can't eat from the mobile phone, from the screen. Okay, next one is coconut. Coconut. It's another fantastic picture, coconut, and you can eat coconut. It's a morning time, and also it's a winter morning time, so you can eat the coconut with cake. And I think there are so many special cake do you have, so with the special cake you can eat coconut. So do you see all the time sunflower, and do you have sunflower around you? In the coconut is green. So leave a comment in comment box. Do you have sunflower? I don't know what is the color of it. It will be brown, right? Next one is jasmine. I don't know exactly what is the color. It's another fantastic flower. It's a jasmine. So if you know the color of the outside of the coconut, so leave a comment in comment box. What is the color will be that. Next one is sunflower. It's another fantastic flower. It's like a sun. This flower is like a sun. You are watching? Round is like a sun. It's the yellow color. Flower is yellow, and also the leaf is green, and it's the sunflower. It's look like a sun, and I like it very much. And most of the time I can't see this flower when I go to the garden, and sometimes when I go to nursery, that time I see this sunflower, and most of the time I see this sunflower from the book.